Good evening, good morning, wherever you are. Family Chef here. Greetings from me to you. It's evening here. I finished my dinner. I want to eat some dessert. Instead of eating ice cream, we want to have a summer body, right? So if you see all this beautiful color here, let's make our dessert. I have all kinds of fruit. I have grapes. I have fresh cranberry, kiwi, orange, strawberry, tangerine. You can use any fruit of your choice, please. Any fruit of your choice. We are going to decorate this plate. Okay, I have my glass here. This glass will go here. Now, before this glass goes, I have to decorate the bottom of the plate before this glass go. If today is your first time, welcome to my channel. My name is Family Chef. Nice to meet you. Thank you so much for subscribing this channel. If you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe to this channel for me. All right, thank you. Let's get started. I watch everything. I'm going to cut some of it off camera because of time. Okay, this is how I cut my orange. You cut it into 4 pieces like this. All right. Okay, let's put it aside. All we do is peel your tangerine. We all know how to peel the tangerine, right? Okay, we peel the tangerine. And this is kiwi. Please, if you don't have kiwi, that's fine. You can use any fruit your choice. You can use watermelon. You can use pineapple. Okay, so I'm going to peel it and cut it into pieces. Okay, I peel my kiwi, then I cut it in 2 pieces like this. So I continue to cut it like that. See? So this is how it's supposed to be. You just go all the way, run your knife through, up to down, then you go. So this is the shape you are looking for, okay? And I peel the tangerine, separate it into 2, separate it into 1 by 1 like this. Then you cut the tangerine so you get this shape. Okay, and you follow this step-by-step recipe. Good. So I'm going to continue to cut all of it. Then we'll go for the decoration. Okay, the orange, you run your knife through the bottom of the orange like this. You need a hole from here. Okay, you need a hole. Run your knife through like that because you need a hole. Right, I'm going to continue to cut all of it. Then we start the decoration. You have a party, someone is coming to your party. You want your table to be nice, at the same time healthy. Although sometimes you need ice cream. But if you want your table to be nice for the party, for dessert table, make your fruit salad. It's going to be so good. If your tangerine is too small, you can cut it, separate into 2. Just cut it like this. And that's it. Let me show you how I cut the strawberry. Run your knife through like that. So this is how you get a shape. See? You have to have very nice sharp knife. Okay, so this is how it looks. This is how the tangerine looks. This is how the orange looks. I make a hole from it. And this is how the kiwi looks. Let's put everything together. Okay, now you can see I started laying my fruits. This is how it goes. I'm going to lay it all around like that until the plate is full round. Right. Okay, now you can tell the strawberry has lain. Let's continue our design. Now the tangerine is going in. The tangerine too is going all the way around until I get the shape I need it. So I'm going to go ahead and lay everything around like that. Okay, now it's about 2 more tangerine, then it will be done. All right. Is it not pretty already? We are not finished yet. Let's go ahead and finish it. Okay, now let's grab our glass. The glass go in the middle of the plate. Then we started laying the rest of the fruit until we cover the glass. Okay, so it's all go round. This time you can do it however you like it. However you like your design. You can go round, you can go squares. Until the kiwi cover all the glass too. Now you can tell it's getting prettier and prettier. Oh my goodness. Okay, we can go for another layer of tangerine. All right, another layer of tangerine. So you see all these colors. Oh my goodness gracious. Is it not pretty? Although ice cream is really good, like it feels good to eat ice cream. But if you want a healthy way and you want your plate to become pretty and nice for spring outside party, trust me, if you do this, your guests will be so happy and they know they are eating good stuff. Is it not pretty already? We can go for the kiwi, then we finish the top. Okay, now we finished the tangerine, the kiwi, and the strawberry. Let's go for the grapes. A lot of people don't like fruit, but trust me, if you're having a summer cookout and you decorate your fruit like this, even kids who don't like fruit will go and try this because it looks so pretty. Even someone who don't like fruit will touch this because it looks so pretty. Okay, last but not least is our fresh cranberries. Please, if you don't have all this fruit, that's fine. You can use anything you have it in your refrigerator. Okay, I just try to design something here so the plate will be so nice and people will ask you, where do you buy this fruit salad? tell the person you made it yourself. Okay, now here, let's finish the top. The cranberry is going in. I'm going to add more of that. Okay, now the grapes is going. We're going to put the orange. Now you see I make a hole. All you do is just press, goes. Okay, we're almost done. I think we put 2 more, then that's it. Okay guys, I think this is the end of my fruit salad. Is it not amazing? It doesn't look good. You can grab anything you want and eat them. It's so beautiful and amazing. You have your fruit cup, you have a fruit plate. At the same time, you decorate your plate to your party guests. Is it not beautiful? Is it not better than ice cream? I'm not saying ice cream is not good. Ice cream is good. But sometimes you need a better choice. Thank you so much. Follow me step by step. Thank you so much for your patience waiting for this beautiful plate. Surprise your guests, okay? Anyone who don't like fruit will taste this because it's so pretty. When you eat it, you look pretty like the same one you see in the video. Thank you so much. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, please subscribe this channel for me. God will bless you. Thank you. Have a good night.